Discord mic not working. You will be very frustrating if your mic can't work on Discord. Don't panic. Usually it's an easy problem to fix. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you a few easy methods to fix your problem. But before starting this video, if you are new on my YouTube channel, just hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update on my YouTube channel. I mean, I'm mostly working on requested tutorials, so whenever you are facing any issue, just let me know. Okay, let's start this problem. The first thing you need to do here, just open your Discord. Also, you can join this server so where I can guide you through live streams. Okay. Now the first thing, just go into the settings, then voice and videos. Make sure you need to select here, but don't worry, a lot of people are not getting here any input devices like adapters, so that's why they cannot access audio settings. But anyways, don't worry, if you are facing this issue, I'll show you further steps later. Right now you need to select here your microphone and your output device, and that's it. You can check your audio as well over here. In case if it's not working, then you can also reset voice settings. Just click here and click OK. Once you have done this, your Discord will restart automatically, and this time your problem should be fixed. If still you are facing, then simply close your Discord from here, and this time you need to run your Discord by administrator. Run as administrator, and this time your problem will be fixed. But in case still you are facing, then another way here, just right click on this PC, go into the properties, and this time you need to find here the device manager on the right side. Once you open the device manager, find here your sound, video and game controller. Now some people have different audio options over here, so simply you need to find your microphone. Right now I'm using this microphone, so simply you need to update this. But again, a lot of people are facing here no updates, so don't worry, again just minimize it, and this time you need to go here into the properties, drivers, update drivers, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So Windows have some drivers. You can simply select here your microphone driver and then click on next and install it. If still you are facing, then uninstall all these adapters one by one. Just click on uninstall. Yes. And again, by mistake I just did, but thank God it's still my capturing my audio. Simply after uninstalling, just click here, so your microphone will reinstall. If it's not reinstalling, just restart your PC and your problem will be fixed. Don't worry about this. And after doing this, your problem 100 will be fixed. If still you are facing, then simply you can join my Discord. I'll guide you over there. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel.